What's up? Hello, hello. Roblox news. Welcome, bro. So, my boys, I think we finally need to make a better plan because really very difficult to handle all of that stuff. So, let's check what we. I think we almost done. Okay, this all works. Only crates. Oh yeah, I remember what we need to do. Monster stop we need to make, and that's all. So only monster stop here, because we don't have a script. Filter UI. Okay, so my boys. But after that, definitely we need to remake this plan because it's so big. This is my mistake to make it so big. It's really difficult to. This will be more comfortable for me to work with such a big plan, but definitely not. Oh, my camera stuck. What the hell? Oh wait. 1 second, guys. 1 second. So all should work now. One second, guys. So okay. Like so. Okay, so really to make such a big plan, this is my mistake because it's really difficult to handle and I don't use that. And if I don't use that, for what I need that plan, right? Definitely right. So let's save these to file. Learn. And we just need to start. 1 second, guys. Need to reboot probably my router. So hope all works. So let's go. Let's go. So the last step what we need to do here, this is add a monster tab. So monster tab. The last step we bind our buttons probably. Let's see, inventory and shop. So inventory and shop works. If we start from here, it works. If we start from here, this is also works. Okay, that's great, that's great. So if we buy this item, yeah, I understood what happened. So we reset our viewer after after buying something. So let's create today just setup for our monster, and let's go to our what services, and here's inventory system. In inventory system presentation, tab controller, and here's we just copy survivors tab and rename it to monsters tab. Monsters tab, just rename that, all of that. Instead of survivors tab, let's rename all of that to monsters tab, my boys. Like this one. Okay, tab controller, and here's we need to get data, get items. So inventory monsters set hi, hello. Default characters config monsters. Let's check configs, default characters config, survivors monsters. Oh yeah, we need to refresh to turn it on, and do like this. Move speed. Wait, no, we remade that. Stats. Yeah, let's remove this one. Name type. Okay, let's copy these ones and just put here's, and here's name zombie, type monsters, ID, if I'm not wrong, 100 should be, yeah. Rarity common. Okay, stats, health, we don't need health. Okay, will be 1, for example. Maybe in the future we'll need that. Health 1. Stat rarities, name. Abilities very important thing. Abilities we need here, definitely. yeah, ID 100, rarity common. Description. So description, put here ID 100, rarity common, move speed 15. Yeah, like this one. And the last step, we need to add ability, but we need to check how we add here in our survivors, for example, because I want to make something like the same here, and will be a thing which will be looks like our survivors config. So go to create system, domain, characters, base character, survivor. Let's see how we create our table. Survivor, wait, survivor.new, generate stats, set rarity, generate abilities. Yeah, we need this one. Self abilities. So abilities. Oh yeah, name, rarity and level. Yeah, that's it. Self ability, name, rarity and level. So let's create here's abilities. Let's just copy this one and put like so. This is better to make like so because it's easier to read this one. So let's make that like this one, and let's go name X-ray, rarity rarity. Hello Noel, hello, welcome bro, welcome. Okay, rarity probably we can get from ability. Okay, I know guys how we can do it here. We just can require our abilities. Yes, it will be better, I think. Okay, local. Let's see our ability loader and C. Ability loader. We just load all the abilities and then categories, category name. You've been getting some rest in the past or something else happened? Yeah, I needed some rest, bro. Yeah. So, no, alright, bro, alright. Just I needed some rest. So, like so. Okay. So ability loader, ability loader. This is just return our table, probably combined. Yeah. So we return our table, and inside this table we can find all of that. Okay, take your time. Thank you, bro. Thank you for asking that. All right, bro. All right. So ability loader. Okay, no, yeah, ability loader, let's take it. Require game, get service, replicated storage. Yo, hello my boy, welcome. Replicated storage, configs, abilities, no, abilities, ability loader, and here's ability local, all abilities, because ability loader load, it returns if not categories, we just return everything, right? Yeah, like this. How you doing? Great, bro, great, thanks for asking. Okay, with no categories, we just we just get the table with all abilities, right? Right. All abilities. How we get certain. Okay. Local function. Find ability rarity. Find ability rarity, probably. Let's check if we need maybe name, rarity, and level. That's all we need. When will you finish your game? I don't know, bro. I don't know. After I make this part, now I'm making a monster inside inventory. After I'm making this part, I wanna just remake the whole plan, because it's really impossible to handle all of that in such a big plan. This is what's my mistake, to make such a big plan, and just we made together. Maybe next stream, I hope, if we finish that today. If we finish that today, next stream, I'll probably make the new plan, which will show what next steps we need to make, because it's pretty hard to have such a big plan. I even don't use that anymore. And then maybe you can rate how much time you think I need, but I can't set a certain deadline, bro, because it's very hard for me. Because it's very hard. So, like this one. Hey, dude, girl have. Thank you, bro. Hello, hello. Make sleep. I've already made, bro. I've already made such a big sleep, bro. Okay, my boys. So we just need rarity here. We just need rarity here, and find ability rarity, local function. How are you? I'm great, bro. I'm great. This was the best sleep ever in my life, I think. I slept for about 15 hours. I don't know, maybe more. Okay. Okay. Find ability rarities. Find ability rarities. Okay, ability name we need. Find ability rarity. Like this one, I don't know. Can we put just a name? No, we can't. So, my boys, let's duplicate that and add a sprint here. Sprint, like this one. And this will be our table with the default abilities. Find ability rarity. I wanna just ability name. So, okay, how our ability loader, if not categories, so categories. So here we just create categories, right? Right. And in the second part of the function, we just create in each category data. Okay, I wanna see just what we return here. Okay, like this one. Nice, great. With no certain categories, right? So it returns like so. So all abilities in one category, right? Okay, my boys. So let's see how we can get info from here. If we have only ability. Or okay, local rarity and return rarity. Or name properties in all abilities do. If name equals to, okay, name not equals to ability name, then continue and properties. Yeah, okay, yeah, I know. We know this thing. Just return properties dot rarity, right? I think right. Should be a simple function like so. Okay, so it just takes rarity from our config and just return that. So we don't need to manually put here always our rarity. See in the config, we don't need it at all. Okay, let's close that. I hope it works. And let's go in our monster tab. Default. So let's close that. Let's go in our tab controller and we need to define not here, okay. Monsters tab, where we control our tabs. Maybe in main controller, no. In our I don't know, viewer, no. Tab controller. Where we call that? Maybe buttons control. Yeah, buttons controller, definitely. So monsters tab, we need to define this one here. Monsters tab. So let's try how it looks like. Inventory monsters. Okay, great. We can switch between them, but we need to finish all of that. So monsters tab. What's the problem here? Yes, because info controller we need instead of survivor things, make here's monsters things. But let's start with showing our items. This will be hard. Hello FS. Pretty hard to understand how it works at the beginning. Now I'm still learning how it works, but when you when you start to understand how it works, it's very useful, and it's very easy to control in the future. So at the beginning, yes, at the beginning, when you just start to understand, when you learn that, yeah, definitely. But now I understand how I don't understand how I worked without that before. So this is very cool thing, really. Okay. Self GUI. What is top controller GUI? Print one. I wanna see is if we render. Okay, we render items here. Let's see why we don't show our items. Template, self GUI, inventory frame, items frame. Let's go in our GUI. Hello, okay, wanna learn it. I just learned that because I felt I need that, definitely, because it's pretty hard to handle all of my game. That's why I decided to work like so. So maybe just you need time, and one day you understand, oh, I need definitely this one. It's useful, it's very useful and easy to control all your game. But really start learning. I spent 4 or 5 months I watched some tutorials, I tried to understand how it works, but only when I really need that, only on this project I realized that without that it will be very hard to understand, to work without this one. Okay, monster template, yeah, like this one. Monster template. Default character monsters do. Properties name not equals to item. Okay, let's start with understanding if we have all items here. Print all items. Empty. Okay, so we don't add anything here. Why? Self get items. Let's see. In self filter table or self inventory data inventory monsters. Probably let's check print monster. So we have zombie here. Here's zombie. Okay. Let's print this one, maybe that's a problem. So we have all of that data here. Epic rare, great. Our function uploads all the rarities automatically. That's great. So it works. Okay. But why we don't insert that? I'm very interested. So all items properties name not equals okay. Print item. Normal guy. I know, guys, probably what's the problem here. Yes, self item and self filter table. Yes, that's it. So filter table. Let's see, filter table probably. Yeah, probably it works for normal guy. Yeah, that's it. So the problem, because we have filter table which works for our survivors, we need to somewhere we filter that first, probably here. Oh yeah, of course, monsters. Okay, let's see, survivors. Monsters. Okay, let's try now. Okay, nice, it's better. Health is not valid member. Oh yeah, my bad. We don't have health at all, because this is monsters. Nice, great, my boys. To have X-ray and sprint. Nice, great. So we don't need to print all the items here. I wanna see one thing. How we create our model inside this one element. Model builder, name item world model. So model builder works for monsters also, right? Let's check. Character models, properties type. Oh yeah, great. That's great that I made like so. Nice. So let's go here. Twin service failed. Okay. Because instance is new. Start selection pulse. Third selection. Queen. Bind over effect button. Maybe I forget to add here stroke. I don't know. Let's check that. Button. Survivor. Okay, so where selection? So oh yeah, of course, my boys. Just I forget to add here the selection. Of course, my boys. Let's go. Okay. Your eye will also need. So just this is all template probably I use here. Your show, your eye. Viewer eye probably, yeah. What does viewer show? I'm very interested. Probably this is eye. Okay, no. We shouldn't care about that. I think viewer eye should be. Oh, wait. I'm anyway forget to add here probably. Oh yeah, viewer show. Viewer show. Oh, your eye, and now should work. So okay, great. We need to change the viewer, of course, for this one. Hello bro, welcome. So okay, tabs works. So if we select this guy, we need to deselect when we switch between tabs. This is also very important. Yeah, we'll make it later. So now we need to remove health, definitely, but first, of course, we need to connect we need to connect, of course, our viewers, new viewers. Your controller, instead of survivor viewer, we need what? We need monster viewer. Monster viewer. Let's open that, and in monsters tab, survivor view, survivor viewer. We need monster viewer. Yeah, monster viewer. Your controller, monster viewer, right? And here is survive monster viewer dot new, and this, that's it. Wait, I'll join the stream after I'm done shopping. Okay, bro. Okay. Hello, welcome. Okay, monster viewer, right? Let's remake that. Survivor viewer, let's do like this one. We need to change all of that to monster viewer. Is the game public? Yes, but it doesn't work properly now. Soon, in a couple of streams probably, we'll play test together. So when I upload this version, so it's public, but that doesn't work like it should be. Here is a pinned message in the chat. Here is a 4-minute video about this game. If you want, you can watch what this game about. So monster viewer, what we need here, we need equip. Oh yeah, I can help playtesting. Great bro, great, but not today. Definitely not today, because I need to work on lobby now. Even I make games. Great bro, great. That's cool. I just started making games 3 days ago. Oh, great bro, great. What's the game you start to make? Or you just learn, you just start learning scripting? Self GUI monsters here. Let's go here inside viewer tab. Monsters probably. Yeah, survivors, monsters. Monsters. Yeah, like this one. So, and we need to remove health. Definitely, we don't need a health. and we don't need this one because we don't have this parameter here. Model builder, let's try. I don't know, maybe it's work already. We'll need to check. So survivors looks like so, monsters looks like so, my boys. All works great. So as you see, there is no health for our monster because, oh yeah, we need to clean this one. I started learning scripting. I'm making a game. What's the game I make? Kinda like a troll hobby, but you race with people. Oh, great, bro, great. Hobbies, this is a great start for the beginners, definitely, bro. So great job, bro. My opinion, really, to start with hobbies, with something simple, this is the best way, bro, to learn scripting. So good job. So the problem now, we don't clear that, or we clear that. Maybe we don't clear it because I press it again. No, not because of that. As you see, for this works only for this guy. So we need just to clear to self-clear. Oh yeah, I know, monsters, because monsters now should work. Let's go. As you see, nothing happens, abilities doesn't appear, a lot of abilities, icons, all works. Great, easy to handle all that. Equip we set up a bit later. Let's first finish our info button. So this is the reason why I like OP. As you see, I'm easily set up new tab in my shop. Really so easy. I just copy a survivors tab and put monsters tab and change a couple of parameters and it already works. But let's check survivors. Survivors, monsters. Equipped monster. Equipped monster. Equipped monster. Sell monster. Self-equipped monster. Self-equipped monster ID. Okay, like this one probably. Yeah, of course we need some things in our remotes, some new functions, but let's first finish with our info tab. Not info controller. Oh no, info controller, yeah, survivor info. Let's make monster info. Monster info. So monster info, let's open this one. Let's change the name to monster info. Monster info, and here's, instead of survivor info, monster info. Monster info. And filter, of course, we'll make a little bit later. Okay. Monster info, what we need to make here? Of course, self GUI monsters, like here and here. Profan, I'm getting some rest from development too, because I'm getting overwhelmed of doing so much stuff and I can't think what should be my next step. That's okay, bro, that's okay, really. Sometimes we need some rest, and that's good, bro, that you understand that. This is very important, guys, to have a rest. If you feel overwhelmed, definitely you need some rest, guys. If you spend even a week or even a month, guys, on your rest, it will be better if you just completely burn out about your projects, and it will be really, and you just get some you get some rest, and after that you just start again. This is not a big deal. Life is so long, guys. So your month or even week, day, if you don't work today, guys, this is absolutely nothing, absolutely nothing. So keep in mind that. No, so this is good, you understand that, and you definitely need some rest, bro, if you feel if you feel that. So guys, the main idea about that, because I tried a lot of time just overcome that and don't listen myself. When I started making my first YouTube channels, I just work a lot making videos, and then I completely burned out about making videos on YouTube. And really, I don't want to make videos, guys. I don't know, maybe 2 years, maybe, I don't know, maybe even more, because I completely burnt out about that. Because I when I felt overwhelmed, and when I felt tired of that, I just continue working, and so I really was stressed about that, and I completely burnt out about that. And only now, guys, I really feel that I enjoy, I want to make videos again. So that's it. And guys, really, if you have a rest 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, even maybe more you need, I don't know, guys, this is absolutely nothing on the life length. So really, imagine, or all your way, for example, like developer in Roblox, because we are developers, like your way in your career in development, I don't know, maybe 5 years, maybe 10 years. And imagine, what is 1 month, 1 day, and 1 week on on such a long distance, guys? What's that? This is absolutely nothing. I also feel tired, guys. I also feel overwhelmed sometimes, but just I give myself some rest, because I know if I just continue working, I work bad. I lost my motivation, and it leads to burnout, guys. So keep in mind that. So great, that's great, bro, that's great, Noel. And don't worry, the main about this, bro, if you don't worry, that's great, because sometimes I allow me to do like so, but I don't I couldn't have a rest, because I always thought, oh, this time I could make something, make videos or something like so. I just waste my time or something like so. This is not a rest. This is not a rest, my boys. If you allow you a rest, guys, you need to have a rest. You don't need to think about your work, about your about coding, about development. So just let yourself, I don't know, walk with friends, play computer games, I don't know, watch movies, or what any things you do, guys. I also guys sometimes feel not so motivated, not so also because I'm also human like you guys, I'm not a robot. I also feel myself not motivated. I also sometimes my brain not always work like an endless process, thinking process about coding or something like so. I also human, guys, and really sometimes just I allow you, bro, this week I don't want to work because I'm tired. I've already make something very long, and so really just give you some rest, bro. You definitely deserve that. You made a great plugin, Noel. You made a great plugin, really. So you definitely deserve a rest, bro. So not overwhelm yourself, just give you, just, I don't know, play games or something like so, bro. And don't care about work. Work always will be with you, bro. You make steps, this is main thing. You make steps, bro. If you don't get yourself the rest, you slow down yourself in the future. When you burn out and abandon your projects for 2 years, for example, this is definitely will be worse. So great, bro. Just give yourself, you deserve a rest, bro, definitely. Hey, as you know, I just started scripting. Can you give me advice of on which resources should I refer to? Maybe if you can make your own scripting tutorials. I tried to make some, not like tutorials, add-ons for tower defense, but I realized that now, at least now, I don't want to make that, because now I don't want to do that. Just it takes a lot of time and it takes a lot of my energy, and I'm not ready, at least for now. Maybe in the future, yes, but not now. Main advice, bro, just learn the basis and learn everything depends on your tasks. For example, you need to make sprint for your player. Just find how to make sprint for your game, for your player. Don't learn everything, bro. Don't learn everything. Just follow tutorials, find tutorials on YouTube. Because I think the easier way to for beginners how to start learning properly. This is definitely YouTube. This is my opinion. Maybe some of you not agree with me. This is your right, guys. Why is it so? Because on YouTube you can see the final result. You can see, of course, yeah, you can see the final result, and you can see like the live coding. So you can follow just the author. If he write the code, you just press space, pause every 5 seconds, and just follow the tutorial. So I think YouTube definitely better for you. If it's comfortable to you, better of course use documentation, Roblox documentation about Lua U, and of course, bro, this is absolutely great thing. This is developer forum. There is a lot of questions, there is a lot of answers on your questions, bro. Developer forum, this is the key for success, because YouTube not always give you everything. Developer forum, you can ask your questions here, and a lot of people are ready to help you absolutely for free, bro. Just register here, just make an account here, and just enjoy, bro. So, and that's okay, bro. If you rewrite the code, just follow tutorials and stop every 3 seconds when you start, bro. I also started like so. Don't worry about that later. You just, when you start to make mistakes and try to fix that, you start to understand everything, bro. Definitely. Hi Profan, hello Itmero, welcome, bro. It's like I wanna continue making the game, but when I open it, my brain stops working and I'm just looking and that to do. Bro, I understand that. You really, this is like a trap. You don't need to. I know this feeling, bro. When you wanna make, when you wanna continue making something, but your brain stops, bro. Definitely, you need to chill, bro. You need to chill and you need to have a rest. Just allow yourself a rest, bro. Allow you to be lazy, bro. This is very important, guys. Remember this. Because if you have a rest like a week and you always think, oh, I waste my time, I need to work right now. This is not a rest, guys. This is a stressful stressful days. Just this is not rest. Just tell yourself, like, bro, this week I wanna play computer games, I wanna I don't know, I wanna walk with friends, I wanna watch YouTube, TikTok the whole day, I don't know, anything you want, guys. Just give yourself this opportunity. This is very important. And really, so, but tell, like, I give myself this week and I don't think about my game. And after that, I just continue working. And that's it. This is really helps me a lot, and maybe help some of you guys and help you, Noel, maybe. Just you need to try that. So really. And then when you have more, maybe after 1 week you realize, oh bro, I need 1 more week, and give this 1 week, bro. Why not? Really, this is low price for compare if you compare to completely burn out about and really I needed like 2 years probably to really start want to make videos again. Yeah, I made some videos, of course I made some videos, but now I feel I really want to edit videos. I really want to enjoy if I do that, like so, like before. I felt that feeling for a very long time ago, like really 2 more, maybe 3 even years ago, I don't know. For a very long time ago I didn't feel that feeling. If I even made videos, yeah, I made of course videos, but not like at the beginning. So really, and if that time when I burned out about making videos, if I just give myself 3 months, I don't know, any period of time I need to rest, guys, probably I'm not have this pause like 2 years or maybe 3 years. I don't even remember how much. 100% this is more 2 years. So definitely this is such a high price compared to a couple of months of the rest. So bro, definitely guys, as soon as you notice that you start to burn out, that you start to be overwhelmed, as when you start to feel tired about your projects, so really, as soon as you notice that, as soon you can fix that and pay for that less, because really I know when you continue working, and then really you can't even think about that, you really, because it's like a vomit about that. So that's it. To be honest, same with me. I did modeling before and I tried to learn scripting, but Dam gave me on the second day. Now I'm back at it to learn scripting, but gave up on the second day. Now I'm back at it. No, bro, this is definitely this is definitely different, bro. A little bit different. When you quit after a couple of days, this is not the same. This is not burnout, bro. This is laziness, definitely. I know also this one, bro. Just bro, if you like gave up on the second day, bro, this is laziness, and this is okay when you start, because you don't have a discipline, you don't have a lot of people work. I also lived like so, and guys, now I completely believe in motivation is absolutely nothing for your success. This is absolutely nothing, because motivation lasts for 1 week, for 1 month, for a couple of months, but after that you live with your discipline. If you don't have a discipline, guys, you give up. You give up really very fast, because a lot of people rely on motivation. Maybe all people rely on motivation when they don't understand that. And I also relied on motivations, a lot of guys so I know when I start making something, I need to rely, like first week I have such a big motivation, first month I have such a big motivation. After that I need to rely only on discipline. So I need to work even when I don't want to work. Yeah, there's two ways, laziness or burnout. This is different things. And so really, if you give up after a couple of days, that's okay, bro, that's okay. You just need to start again, like you. That's great, bro, that's great. You start to trying again, and really, if like so you feel, you just need to make some little steps. Probably you try to make such a big step, like make a game in a week, but you don't have a lot of knowledge, bro. So probably not to avoid all of that, you need to make not so big steps, really, like maybe half an hour, bro, learn, like that's it. So bro, you definitely try to learn like the whole days, the couple of hours a day. I don't know, maybe for you like 10 minutes a day will be great, but you make little steps, and then you realize, oh, why I learned that 10 minutes a day, bro? Maybe I need to start learning that half an hour a day. And really, so guys, burnout, this is not the same like laziness when you start learning something at the beginning. This is definitely not a laziness. Okay, maybe that's wrong word. You lose motivation. And yeah, laziness probably appears at that point, of course. But this is also okay, bro. If you just continue after some days, bro, congratulations. One day you realize that, oh, maybe I don't need to rely on motivation, bro. Maybe I need to just do that, continue doing that, and that's it. I don't know, this is pretty hard question always for me. For each person, probably this is other ways how to control all of that. But guys, this is not only my thoughts. I also thought, oh, maybe how people can do like so. Like a lot of people tell about that, like you don't need to rely on motivation. This is temporary. This ends very fast, and you need to rely on discipline. Discipline. This is not guys. Discipline. This is not, guys, like probably you think. You wake up at 5 a.m. and go to do workout, go to I don't know, eat healthy food and so other. No, guys, absolutely, I disagree. I tried self-improvement a lot. I tried some experiments with my body, and this is not for everyone, guys. You don't need to handle all your life like super disciplined guy. Discipline can be only, for example, about your hobby. Discipline about your work. This is enough. You don't need really to wake up at 5 a.m. and something like so. This is really I try that, and this is not the way how you can change your life. Definitely, this, at least for me, guys, at least for me. Yeah, now when I have a discipline in for example Roblox, in video making, in workout, I realized that, yeah, probably if I have a good sleep, I definitely feel better. Yeah, this is like But this is like additional things I realized after I had discipline. Discipline, very important, guys. So think about that. Said hi, hello. Welcome, welcome, bro. Welcome, hello. I have some bad news. What a bad news, bro? Some cash grab, brain rot, touch grass simulator. Yes, bro. Yeah, definitely. Hi again. Hi, bro. Hello. My cat is so sick, and my mom and brother gonna go to the doctor and see if my cat gonna die or live because he's so sick from like 5 days ago. Oh, bro, that's so sad. I'm so sorry about that, bro. So, so he really like he's old, or what's the problem? Or he feel really bad? Yeah, as you told, I had made some random game in one day about what I know till now, and it's very hard to make games alone. I completely understand you, bro. I completely understand. I'm almost the whole my way made the games alone. Yeah, I worked with FS. He's my tester. He today was here. We worked together. He helped me a little bit with winter update for my tower defense game. But yeah, bro, I know make everything alone. This is pretty hard. And when you don't have a community with who you can discuss about that. But bro, you're here. You can discuss it about here. So that's why these stream series exist. This is one of the purposes of that, bro. Because I know how it feels when you work alone, when you really don't have any community with who you can discuss about game development, about all, guys, about all we can discuss here, about motivation. Because in my life I tried a lot of self-improvement things, and probably I also faced with losing motivation, burnout, and I really wanna share my experience with you. Maybe some of you, you can avoid a lot of things. So, bro, you're welcome. You on the right channel, bro. So, I also work alone, bro. But if you need, we'll discuss about that and maybe find a better way how you can work better. And bro, but random game in one day, I don't know. This is pretty hard to make even for me. But I have more than 1.5 year experience, bro. So maybe you need more time to make first game, at least first games. I tried to learn Roblox Studio program, but Algeria banned Roblox at the same day I want to try Roblox Studio. Use VPN. Yeah, bro. Probably only way how you can avoid that this is use VPN. My brother don't let me because of Roblox stupidity. So we can't. This is one way, bro. This is one way, probably only VPN if you wanna avoid that. But if you can do that, so definitely no anyways, bro. Or even moving out country, bro. So my cat is 3 years old. He's sick. Okay. Okay. I hope, bro, with your cat all be right. This is pretty sad. He's pretty young. 3 years. This is absolutely nothing for cats. I hope, bro, all will be well with your cat. What was your first game? The first game, this was Memes Tower Defense. This is 1 second, I'll share. Memes Tower Defense. This is I made that 1.5 years, and that's it. I can share. So this is my first game. I'm playing Rainbow Six and I'm editing the Rainbow Six video, and the video was 18 plus pictures, so blur like button and sub button. Okay, bro. Okay. I tried Rainbow Six, but I don't like that. I don't know why. I prefer to Counter-Strike 2. I got a commission from someone. He said I have to make an admin panel, VIP system and PC shop system for mini games, poison game, TikTok 2, spin the bottle, question table, and some DJ saloon features with a music cue system, and some lightning movement. And bro said there is a basic stuff, so he gonna pay me 5k Robux for this. So I've of course said no, because I won't make for mini games. I won't make for mini games for 5k Robux, bro. Yeah, for 5k Robux I probably also don't agree, bro, because bro, looks like he offer you to make like the whole game or even a lot of games, and for 5k Robux, bro, this is at least for me this is definitely don't worth. Maybe 50k this will be better, but not for 5k, bro. That's a lot of work, I think. Admin panel, VIP system, and PC shops, bro, what the hell? 50k minimum, I think, for me. Maybe I would if I work. So wait, I'm gonna try your game out right now. I don't know, it should work. This is my first game. I sent a link if you would. Some guys told like it doesn't work. Maybe it doesn't work. It should work probably. I don't know, maybe some problems with Roblox was that time. Yeah, Rainbow Six is so hard because it's like reality. You can kill your friend, but you can get banned, and there is spawn killer. If you attack, they go place where they can see you, and when games start, they start killing you. Yeah, but I don't like. This is so realistic for me. This is so realistic, probably. I don't like when you feel so. When you feel so heavy, maybe have heavy shoulders in Rainbow Six. For me, this is really Counter-Strike best, better in this. So that's it. Yeah. I told him I would do it for like 200 USD, but then he was like, what you mean $100? This is basic stuff. I know these guys, bro. I also when I made some models, some guys tell me like, bro, you can't solve this problem for 100 Robux, bro. I'll find the guy who solve. He asked, someone asked me to solve, to fix the bugs, like to fix the shop system. Like there is a lot of work, bro, for 100 Robux, and I thought maybe there's like a little bug or something like so, but when I asked about that, they told me like, you need to make shop system for 100 Robux. I told, bro, are you really kidding? 100 Robux, bro, what the hell? And he also told me like, bro, I'll find the guy who solved this even less than 100 Robux. And I said, bro, so let's go, let's find this guy, and let's better work with him. What the hell, bro? So really, bro, I don't like the people. I don't like the people when they don't when they underestimate someone's work. Definitely you spend a lot of time of learning scripting. Definitely you spend a lot of time to get experience. And really, this is not default job like everyone can do. Definitely, like scripting and Roblox, like development games, and really, this is so funny to see when people tell like you, bro, like you, Noel, to make this for 5k Robux, all these systems. This is definitely what the hell, bro. So like this is really underestimate all your all your experience, all your skills, bro. So definitely. I did not try Counter-Strike 2 because I thought there is not so many players, but I know it's good. Bro, there's around 500k online, or to 1 million maybe online in each day. There's a lot of players, bro. There's a lot of players. 1 million, okay, maybe not 1 million, maybe 700k, 700,000 average, I think, players in CS2. Yeah, guys. Sometimes it's more than 1 million when new updates. So definitely, that's it. Shop system for 100 Robux. Yeah, bro, that's absolutely funny. Yeah, no, but I don't really like CS2 so much. This is, bro, this is, you're right. I just share my experience. This is definitely, if you don't like that, this is not this is not a problem, bro. Yeah, same with me. It kinda gets repetitive after some time. Yes, guys, but if you play not alone, this is if I would play alone, definitely, but I play with my team. This is interesting when you have 5 your friends with who you have you create some tactics, you play different tactics, and you really you work, there is teamwork. This is, of course, when I played it alone, I don't play a lot that game. I'm gonna exit, guys. Bye, bro, bye. Hey Profan, are you streaming? Are your streaming days time set, or like you randomly go live? I really like your tips and the game you're working on. So now I had before some rest, bro, but now I wanna start to streaming every day except Wednesday and Thursday. So 5 times a week. And you can join Discord in the description. Here is I tell when I start streaming, bro. So usually like couple of hours earlier than today. So that's it. 5 days in a week probably. So that's it. I just subbed to. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I found a message. He said this. I don't know what kind of godly intense scripting you're thinking of, but all other scripters I'm getting rates from ask for 5k. This is so funny, bro. This is so funny. When I see like so, bro, I just tell the people like, bro, if you find someone who make this for 5k, just work with that guy, bro. Why you asking for myself for that, bro? Just work with that guys who really all other scripting who wanna work for 5k, bro. Work with them. Why you asking me about that? So, bro, this is so funny, really. This mythical scripters who wanna work for low price, just let this guy to work with them. So that's it. Really, that's so funny when I see that. Really. Hi, hello, hello, welcome. So, my boys. Really, this is so sad that a lot of people. Yeah, I know, guys. Why is it so? Because this is this is this is like a trick, like so. So they try. Oh, bro, you really wanna take for your skills like such a big price, bro? But there's nothing to do, bro. There is nothing, not a lot of work. Definitely. So, uh, so really, this is a trick to offer you a lower price. Like, bro, there is not a lot of work. Bro, there is a lot of scripters ready to do that for 5k Robux. This is manipulation. And really, just when I see like so, I tell, bro, if you find someone who ready to do that, just work with them. Why you asking myself about that, bro? Bro, where you from? I'm from Ukraine, bro. I'm from Ukraine. Okay. How do they know if it's not a lot of work when they can't script? Yeah, yeah, bro. This is also funny. This is also funny, bro. Definitely. Yeah. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Really. So how they know how much work here? Definitely. Maybe, bro, they professionals who just don't want to spend time, and but not. This is funny. Okay. This is viewer. Oh, this is interaction buttons. Okay, self-GUI monsters. I think they also might be scammers because there is some scammer in scripting too. Of course, bro. Of course, can be. Scammer everywhere. Definitely, bro. I also faced scammers. When I made 3D models in Blender and make some commissions here. Of course, scammers a lot of here. Player GUI, inventory frame, viewer, monsters, buttons, interaction buttons. Oh, wait. Just buttons, I think. Maybe like so. Maybe like this one. Oh, wait. Okay, let's go here. Interaction buttons, equip cell. What's here? Okay, let's just copy that. Yeah, definitely we'll have the same here, like this one. Buttons, so let's do like so better. And interaction buttons, like this one. Let's go. Okay, info. Great, okay, great. Monster info. Text label. We need to delete health. We don't have a health. And we need to delete this one. This part. Text label. Okay, probably we need to make Okay, I know how we do that. Just delete that, copy that, put here, delete health. Because probably I changed something here. Text label, screen drawing, enter frame info, monsters. I'm currently looking at Talent Hub, bros paying 105 Robux for making a camera switch system in lobby. Script the player's avatar at spawn. At, I don't know, what's this? Design UI for equipping avatars. What, bro? What the hell? What the hell? Ensure smooth transition and user-friendly experience and script the UI. It's really hard to find great commissions. Just stick to making games. Bro, I highly recommend. Also, there is a lot of scammers, of course. 1 second. There is a lot of scammers also, bro. But I really find commissions on the Roblox developer community. Here, I don't know. 1 second. Community server. So Roblox developer community. This is there is their group in Roblox, but you can find you can find in Discord Roblox developer community Discord server, and there's they have a channel like for hire or something like so, and really you can try to find some commissions here if you. This is Phoenix told me about that, and it really helps me to find some good commissions here. So try here, but bro, there's also I find the scammers also here, so be careful. Yeah, there are some guys who really helps me, who really paid me well, but there are some scammers also because this is Discord. So. There's they have link link Noel in the group Roblox developer community. 1 second, I'll show you. So they have link here, but that doesn't work, as you see, invalid. Yeah, just copy Roblox developer community name and find this one. Find the channel like for hire or commissions or something like so. Even out that 150, 30% is just gone off tax. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Definitely, of course. I'm in RoDev and Hidden Dev Discord too. Oh, okay, okay, bro. Try this one also. Maybe you find you can be in a lot of channels and maybe find everywhere. What is going on, my boy? Welcome, my boy. So I'm making a monster tab for inventory system, and we're talking about work, about commissions in Roblox, like this one. But in RoDevs I'm still waiting for the application. Okay, try this one, bro. Try this Discord channel. I really found some good commissions here. And in Hidden Devs I'm still mute. Oh, okay. Alright guys, I gotta go. Sorry I could not stuck with you for more time, but I will join your next stream. Great, bro, great. Bro, take your time. Anyway, thanks for visiting and thanks for being here. And see you next time, bro. I wish you good luck. Yeah, I might check it out. Yeah, bro. Yeah, check it out. but really be careful. Scammers, a lot of scammers here, really. But really, sometimes really good offers here, really good offers from good for known developers. So maybe you'll find here someone. So text label. So what's the problem? Info, title, text label, text. Info. Okay, what is info? Self GUI. Wait, info. Info, title. I don't understand. Where is info, title, text label? Oh, what the hell? This is info. This is not. We need info, of course. Yes, of course, my boys. I think we just copy all of that from survivors. Yes, of course, I forget. But we need to go to info. Yeah, like this one. Now let's see. Great. Yeah, that's it. Oh, it works. Great. What the hell? We need to remove help probably from here. Health. Let's remove it just. Move speed, price. Yeah, like this one. Okay, as you see, all works. Print, X-ray, rare, epic. Great, my boys, great. 15 price, 0. Yeah, great. So okay, info works. Since last stream I was making the map for my game, and I made an inventory system and a dialogue system and some more. Great, bro, great. That's good job. You really worked a lot, bro. And you really deserve rest, bro, after a lot of work. Why not, bro? And I also added a rain event system, but it's so laggy on phone. Great, bro, that's cool. Rain. Yeah, I didn't make a rain system on my own, but I put some rain in my tower defense on one map. Yeah, it also causes some lag sometimes, so probably it's pretty hard to make it not laggy. So okay, and the last one we need to make. I made a rain with a rain plugin. I've never heard, by the way, about that. Like it creates a part or something like so. Because if it creates a part, probably it causes a lag, maybe. So we need price calculator. No, we don't need it now. We don't need it now because we can't sell our Yeah, we can't sell default character, definitely. It generates the script and you can tweak the settings in GUI or in the script. It runs on client. Oh, okay, great. Great. So sell monster we just like so. Local remote, equip. I'm very interested. Wait, I wanna see. No, it would have to make shop GUI and some more, but I hate making UI, bro. I also hate that, really. As you see, it takes a lot of time for me, so I also hate making that. It takes a lot of time, a lot of energy, bro, for me. I completely understand what you're talking about. Same, bro, same. Really. Maybe just for the monsters we turn off sell buttons interaction. Let's make it invisible like this one. We need to make a new function for remotes. Local remotes, equip. Let's go to our infrastructure, remote controller, local remotes. Equip survivor probably. Yeah, equip survivor. Inside viewer controller, survivor viewer, equip survivor. I might make the UI with AI, but I don't know. Like just AI. Maybe, but yeah, why not, bro? Why not? If it's faster, why not? But for me, the hardest way to script all of that, to connect all the buttons, to handle all of these frames and so on. I just want to lay back code and enjoy write the lines. Yes, bro, yes. Same, bro, same. I don't like to connect all of that also. First make that in Photoshop, for example, after that connect all of that, and really it takes a lot of time always. Because I wanna create abilities, I wanna create this map, random map generators. This is really I really enjoy that a lot. Quick survivor, let's take that. Equip monster. Sell monster. Warn. No. Kong. So, sell monster. Equip monster. Oh yeah. Remote fence fire server. Equip monster. We need to go to our factory and create equip survivor. Equip monster. So we need to receive that. Server remotes. Let's delete that. Okay, let's separate. This is create, open cell survivor, cell selector. So if I create, open create. Okay, I know. I haven't tried making UI with AI. I don't if it will turn on great or really bad. I don't even know, bro, how you... I thought you have like you wanna just make image generator, use image generator or something like so, because I also never did like this one. You need to try, bro, definitely. If it speed up your process, why not, bro? Why not? I hope there is some script to frame converter plugin, or you just wanna use like AI which built in Roblox Studio, or what? Remote event. Equip monster on server event, like this one, and we just yeah, like built-in AI in Roblox. So self create. Yeah, let's separate that. I like to use ChatGPT. Oh, okay. I don't know, bro, never used that. You definitely need just to try and tell the built-in is really bad. Okay. Bro, just really try, why not? Nothing bad happened if you try, why not try? Maybe it's really so easy to do that, and it will be great. Okay, this is crates, this is monsters. Equip survivor, like this one. Let's copy. Player item. Player item. Player item. Inventory service. Equip monster. Equip monster. Equip monster fire client. Equipped item. Okay, let's go in our application layer, inventory service. Here is we need to create equip survivor. We have equip monster. Equip monster. Self data controller. Equip monster item. Default characters. Monsters. Now let's go in data controller in our infrastructure, and here's we need equip monster. Equip survivor. Let's make Okay, maybe let's make like so. Equip monster. Chosen monster probably, right? Chosen monster. Just let's try that. I wanna see if alright. Missing equip. Oh yeah, my bad. Equip monster, of course. Monster viewer. Like this one. Like this. Let's go. Chosen monster, yeah, right. Like this one. Yeah, nice. And probably we don't need to do all of that if our ID the same, like the same. Let's try now. So okay, and equip, and equip. Monster stop. Let's go to viewer again. Monster viewer. So equip monster, self-selected item. I wanna see that. Print self-selected item. What's that? So we have ID, right? We have access to data here. I'm very interested. Probably we should have buttons. What is self? I wanna see self. Info controller. Info. Wait, we have equipped monster, right? Yes, we have equipped monster. We can use that. Yeah, that's it, that's it. So, oh wait. First, if self-equipped monster equals to self-equipped monster dot id equal to self-selected item dot id, then return end. No, and why I wanna do like so? Because we don't need to update the data all time if we already have the same, like. and oh, wait. No. Alright, without this one probably. Inventory. We need to change this. The button. Yeah. We need to change the button in the viewer, how it looks like. Self-interaction buttons. Depending on equipped or not. If self-equipped monster and item ID equals self-equipped monster ID, then self-equipped should work, by the way. Why it doesn't work? False. Okay, let's try again. False. Why false? Maybe we don't have self-equipped monster. Wait, we always have self-equipped monster, by the way. We always should have that. New. No, we don't have that. Why? By the way, Prophone, I started learning networking. This is what's that? The plan is to get CCNA certification. What is networking? Why self-equipped monster equals to nil? I know. It's like putting modem server switches together and coding them to work, and etc. Oh, great, bro, great. That's good, bro, that's good. So looks like you interested about that, really. That's cool, bro, that's cool. I thought you like only to make games. Wait, what is health rarity, by the way? Okay. Self-equipped monster. Like this too, I might work in like this too, I might work in cybersecurity in the future. I don't know yet. Oh, great, bro, great. I have a friend who work in cybersecurity. Great, bro, great. Hey, bro, I make a server in Minecraft. Wanna join in? I'm not playing Minecraft, bro. I play that maybe once 5 years. So, but like this. But you can share that in Discord server in your creations, bro. Maybe some guys wanna play that. I know a launcher for free. Okay, bro. No, that's not the reason, bro. That's not the reason. Reason not about. I just not a big Minecraft player, bro. That's the reason why I don't want. So wait, our template in items frame should have one thing. Monster template selection, right? Why I don't see that? Oh, I know, guys, why I don't see that. Because it's inventory frame. And this shop frame. Yeah, that's it. Items frame. Monster template. Oh yeah, like this one. Selection. This one. Oh, no. Survivor template. Okay, let's see. Equipped sign. Yeah, equipped sign. And here's equipped sign. Like this one. Yeah, like for the monster. For now, I'm learning networking and making Roblox games. Maybe I can get to the front page, but some miracle. Why not, bro? Why not, bro? Maybe not a miracle. Maybe just, bro, because you work good. Why not? And what I'm gonna do in the future, I have no idea. Maybe C++. I don't know, bro. The same for me, bro. The same for me. I just give myself to just follow the flow, like so. I don't know. Same, bro. What will be in the future? Because before that I even couldn't imagine that I'll be a developer at all. I'll be a programmer. I'll make something because I thought this is not for me. But now I'm here, so life is so unpredictable, bro. For each of us, usually. Maybe that's because of that it's more interesting. So you never know, like one day you'll be a Roblox developer or someone else. So I don't understand why I don't get equipped sign. Equipped sign, let's see. Oh yeah, because yeah, I know. Because we need tab controller monster stop, like this one. I really like programming, but I don't know which part should I really focus on. The only thing I know is that I hate web development. Bro, the main part of that, I think you try. This is really important, bro, because I also tried a lot of things in my life, and really always I have different hobbies and like so I abandon one thing and start new ones, and I realized that the main thing, if I wouldn't try, I don't find something really which I really like. So bro, just relax and try a lot of things, as more things as possible, bro. This is all experience, and later this is definitely you'll find what's the best for you. So this is great, you wanna learn something different, and so bro, you make a steps. This is the most important thing, I think. So that's it, because who makes steps, bro? Anyway, life flows you. Okay, not life, this I don't like that. Not life, bro. You with your efforts definitely push yourself for that point where you really enjoy what you do every day, like this one. This is my mindset, bro. So bro, just continue making, and you're a legend, bro. You're a legend that you do that, all of that. You make a plugins for Roblox, you make Roblox games, you wanna try C++, and definitely, bro, this is leads to success. This is leads to your successful future. This is leads to happiness, and you'll find, definitely you'll find the thing which really you enjoy every day. I even don't have any doubts about that, bro, because you have a lot of how it calls, like ambitions, or a lot of potential. Yes, a lot of potential, and I see that, bro. You make a lot of things. That's great. Hi bro, can you tell me where may take icons for game? I forget. How are you? I'm great. Hello Phantom. Hello Phantom. Step by step. Yeah bro, definitely. Take icons for game. Yeah, of course. Flat icon, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, flaticon.com. Okay. What is the game? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level, with procedural generated maps. Here is a pinned message in the chat. Here is a 4-minute video about this game. If you want, you can watch. Thanks a bunch. No problem, bro. Hope it helps. Okay. Self-selected items ID. Button check equipped. What is check equipped? Let's presentation layer, check equipped. I think I know what's the problem. Check equipped. Presentation layer, utils. Check equipped. E. ID, what the hell? Data. Maybe wrong data, I think I sent here. ID self-inventory data. What the hell? What the hell? Print data. Maybe you given the data instead of ID. Yeah, yes, I definitely make like so. Yes, this is not right. Yes, yes. At one time I was really into Python, so I was making projects, bro. And Python also, bro. Insane. You really know a lot, bro. So I was making projects and committing to GitHub, but I don't know about Python. It's like Python itself isn't really good. It's good for backend and for some small stuff, but there's no such thing in Python like good games, or I don't know. Yeah, I also heard like for backend Python and not for a lot of for games, probably for some simple games I heard. Yeah. Bro, you're really insane, bro. You know a lot, bro. So you have a great potential. Just continue trying, bro, and you definitely find yourself. So, and don't worry, bro. Just chill and give yourself some rest when you need that. You really work a lot, bro. You really work a lot and do a lot of things. That's definitely lead you to think which you really love. Bro, I love you, bro. Thank you, bro. I found you finally, bro. Thanks so much, bro. Your best, love you. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, bro. I'm making my own cloud in Python right now. Oh, that's cool, bro. That's cool. Like cloud for storing files, or yeah, like so. Mm. Item key, maybe like so. If wait. No, I'm not that good in Python. I haven't been coding in Python since months, so I'm really bad. Bro, I'm not about this. I'm not about good or bad. I'm about trying. Uh, I'm about you trying a lot. This is definitely leads you to something. So that's it, bro. Neither I'm just make small projects every time you learn something new. Definitely, bro. Definitely. Any steps worth, guys. Any steps. Later, this is definitely leads you to something really big. It combined together, and all your experience will definitely not just waste of time. Definitely, guys. Definitely. So anyway, by the way, what's your opinion about web development? Some of my friends learning web development, and really, for me, I think this is not what I like, because there's a UI, as you know. This is script UI. If we talk about web, like develop websites, like front end, yeah, front end probably. I think this is not mine, But guys, I thought the same, I thought the same about the whole programming at all. Maybe one day I'll be a web developer. I don't know. This is so unpredictable. So I thought the same about coding at all, about programming at all. Like, this is not mine. I'll be YouTuber. I'll make a music and a lot of things I made in my life. And also but programming, I thought always like, this is not for me. Now I'm here, what the hell. So that's it. Your t-shirt was inscription future in our hands. I agree with this. Yes bro, definitely. I also agree with that, bro. Question, if is the data you're sending off in the inventory or the whole player data? You sending off the inventory or the whole player data? The whole inventory, bro. And this is bad approach. Yeah, same. I really don't like how should the site look like. No UI for me. Yeah, bro. Yeah, UI is easy. This is easy, bro, if you like that. UI, for me, UI not too hard, just I don't like to do that more. So it takes a lot of time, and I really enjoy more to make some maybe backend things, backend coding, like this. Yeah, like something like so. Okay, really, for what we need, you're right, Reaper. Maybe we don't need to send the whole data. This is not the good approach. Self-inventory data, let's make chosen monster, right? We don't need the whole UI here, and it just, yeah, we don't need it at all. And instead of doing all of that stuff, we just combine if like this one, else maybe it really just return. Maybe we really just can skip all of that, like so. Let's try. Can you tell me what is the check equipped for? It was just to return, just to make equipped sign visible, false or true. Wait, we probably don't even need all of that module, guys. We don't even need that. We can do it right here, maybe. If ID equal to this, so we don't need this model. What the hell? Then like this. Let's try that. This is for monster stuff. Let's try. JavaScript more difficult than Python or Lua, but C++ too difficult. I don't know, bro. I'm not experienced in other language. Oh, great. Why I made that model? What the hell? And that's it. So we don't need that. Be right back. Okay, bro. Okay. So what the hell? Can I join your project and look? Bro, are you kidding? No. Definitely not, bro. I'm working solo only. Okay. Okay, so we don't let's go to our survivors tab, and let's find the same line. Yeah, we don't need it at all. So inventory data chosen. Chosen survivor. Okay, let's just remove that. If ID equal to self, yeah, like this one. And we don't need check ID at all, by the way. Check equipped, like this one. And here's also check equipped. We delete that. Let's go, let's see. So, oh yeah, somewhere crate stuff we also check equipped. What? Okay, it's equipped and this is equipped. Great, my boys, great. So nice. We have these ones. Okay, let's buy some crates, open survivors. Let's buy some. Oh, let's open some crates. Let's open some crates. Let's go to survivors. Yeah. So for example, we equip this one. Okay, this thing is here. Let's start again and see if the ninja sign, equipped sign, is here. Not on the normal guy. Yeah, all great, or all saving. So by the way, we can delete all of that buttons. We don't need it anymore. So you made all that just for the UI? Yes bro, this is object-oriented programming. All that for just not only UI. Of course there is a server functions, but presentation, yeah, all in presentation folder, all of that scripts. This is for UI. Hello and bye. Good progress. hello and bye. Okay bro, thank you. Why don't you have a rarity order? Because I have rarity filter, bro. Because this is sort not by rarity, by this is sort by date added. Newest first. Now this is default order. Welcome back bro, welcome back. Okay, let's delete these buttons, we don't need it anymore, so just see that. So let's go. Oh yeah, that script probably can delete also. Show in Explorer. Print data, yeah, we don't need it anymore. Let's delete that. Nice. So okay, go to the monsters, go to the monster info works, common move speed ability. How long are you been coding this project or total? This project you can see in the name of the stream, but the whole my experience more than 1.5 years. Yo bro, I came back. Welcome back bro, welcome back. Okay, so this guy okay, wait, one more thing. I wanna equip my boy here. Equip. Oh yeah, he's here. Nice. The zombie looks like a green bean. Yes bro, definitely. So we need to create this model, to put this model at the beginning. We need to put it at the beginning, so let's put equip normal guy here, my boys. Let's go. Do you have any sound effects in your game? Now I have only for UI, but later of course I'll add some other sound effects. Yeah, of course I'll make. Now I have sounds for buttons, for opening. Yeah, for buttons. All self-learned? Yes, bro, definitely. Exactly, self-learned. So self-learned, I mean without any courses or something like so. Of course, I use tutorials because I use developer forum, I use YouTube tutorials. Yeah, like this. Lao isn't that hard to learn. What is Lao? I don't know. Fun, what do you think of this map design? I sent it to you in Discord. Is there a Discord server? Yes, link in the description. Best tutorials for starting Lua. Oh, bro, I don't know. You probably some of guys tell you what's the best tutorials, because I don't learn a lot of tutorials for starters, for beginners. So guys, you know the good tutorials for beginners? 1 second, guys. From what point the best start? Oh, great map, bro. Yeah, that's cool, Noel. I saw that. Yeah, looks really not empty, because a lot of problems usually, like when people make empty maps, usually, really. So that's it. So guys, what's the best tutorial for starting learning Lua? I think a lot of guys told me about someone like Brawl Dev or someone, because I learned it really for a very long time ago. I don't remember who exactly I use, but bro, if really just find in YouTube like Lua tutorials or something like so in Roblox scripting tutorials. Brawl Dev is the best one. Okay, so as you see, Brawl Dev, but probably it's like Brawl. Like so, if I'm not wrong. Alright, thank you so much for your time, bro. No problem, bro, no problem. We here for helping each other and for talking about development. So my boys, for today that's all, my boys. Thank you all who watched, thank you all who helped and be here, and we'll see, my boys, tomorrow on the next stream. Next stream I'll tell you in Discord server when will be the next stream. So thank you all, guys, and bye bye, my boys.